We're going to be manual muscle testing Abductor Digiti Minimi Manus. So it's producing abduction of the fifth finger at the metacarpal phalangeal joint. So I'm going to start off by asking my person to do that action for me. Perfect. So that is our active range of motion for this muscle. We're going to take her partway into that motion, holding onto the hand for support. I'm going to put some digital pressure on that proximal phalanx and pushing it towards the ring finger in this case. And she's holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. And then starting from this adducted position, she's going to push all the way out through it. Push, 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 push. Excellent. Now, besides abduction, a secondary action this muscle can sometimes do is a little bit of flexion. And we didn't really mention that in the previous components of it because we primarily just stick with the abduction. But we need to take this flexion into account for our lengthening position. So due to this muscle having slight ability to do flexion, but primarily abduction, when we lengthen it, we're actually going to take it into extension and then adduct it behind the ring finger like so. So this is going to be our lengthened position right here. Okay, so we'll do that one more time. We bring it into extension and we adduct it behind the fourth finger. That'll be the length position for Abductor Digiti Minimi Manus.